Okay, here we are with Moriah's puppies. They are 4 weeks old as of yesterday and growing like little weeds. So cute. So you can see, oh my papa, he's the one in the back, right, JR? He's the one all the way in the back. The little boy in the back with the lighter color. Ombrage is the all-white one on the right. Then we've got Ooh La La. She's got the brown on her, yeah, she's got brown on both sides of her head and at the base of her tail. So which one is that?
Right.
Okay, so we don't have the spot in the back on there. Okay, and then Oval, who is the one with just the half face. Little Oval, little boy. And then the other little female, Haley. Haley. Ohana. Show us which one is Ohana. That one?
Let's see. Oops, sorry, baby.
Yeah.
Yep.
Does she have a spot by her tail?
She has a spot by her tail, a little tiny one.
Okay, that's Ohana then. So let's see if we can get a little play out of them maybe. Slide around on this slick floor. They're used to padding.
They're walking backwards, right?
Yeah. What do you think? Haley! She knows you're there, and so if you'll bring Moriah out here, she'll stop that. Yeah, she's upset about Moriah being in there.
Okay.
Haley!
There's little.
Aww.
These guys are buddies.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oval and Ombrage?
Exactly.
Haley. Oh, we're venturing out. Here we come back again. They're like, oh, what is this new surface I'm on? Okay, I'll tell you one more time who each one is. We've got Oh My Papa right here, Ombrage, Oval, Ooh La La, and Ohana. That's Moriah's beautiful litter with Mufasa as the daddy. You can go walk all over each other. Shh, shh, shh. Shh, 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 shh. Haley, it's okay. Where are you going, little one? Ooh la la, where are you going? You're going far away. Little adventurer. She's going to adventure all the way across the room. Look at her go. Oh, here she comes back. Where are you going, baby girl? Huh? Where are you going? All right, so there we have Moriah's sweet babies, 4 weeks old.